Embroidering on socks with your multi-needle embroidery machine. Supplies you will need: a pair of socks, preferably crew, a centering ruler, chalk, sticky cutaway stabilizer, Durkee EZ frames, the 2x4 is what we use, and your Durkee EZ frame arm. Start by measuring 1 inch down from the band of the sock and make a horizontal mark with your chalk. Also, fill in the small hole in the center of the ruler and use that and the side edge of the sock to make a vertical line. This will be our centering crosshair. Now prep your hoop by taking the cutaway sticky stabilizer and peel the paper away to reveal the tacky surface. Lay the piece sticky side up on your workstation and place your hoop centered on top. Once it is stuck, gently wrap the edges over the hoop. Load the hoop onto the EZ arm with the 2 attachment screws. All of the labels should be facing up. Take the unit to your machine and make sure to size your A arm for the EZ frame. After tightening those screws, slide the frame all the way back until it snaps. Now take your sock that has the crosshair, open it up, and gather, stretching it over your fingers. At the machine, stretch the sock over both the hoop and the free arm of the machine under the hoop. Pinch the sides to manipulate the fabric to not be so taut, and position it with the top edge of the sock straight across the top edge of the hoop. The center should fall towards the middle. Smooth the fabric down, and on the screen, select your pattern or text you wish to stitch. Set this design, and in the edit screen, make sure to select the size option and make sure the design is no larger than 1.5 to 1 3/4 wide, due to the hoop only being 2 inches. Hit OK and edit end. Now locate the needle trace button. Select it, and then select the center start position. Notice your green crosshair jumps to the center of your pattern. Hit OK, then tap the Live View Camera button. And turn on the needle crosshair option. Now use your move arrows to position the design directly over the crosshair we had drawn before. Feel free to use the larger jump size and just nudge the design up. Once you verify you like the placement, exit out of the camera mode by tapping the same symbol as before. Now, use the trace option at the bottom to make sure the foot won't hit the edge of the hoop. This is how you check the perimeter of the design. Select embroidery and swap or assign any colors as necessary. Unlock the machine and start stitching. As the machine stitches, carefully watch and make sure that the sock isn't getting stuck or caught underneath and is not being overstretched. Once complete, loosen the 2 attachment screws in the back and slide the hoop free. Stretch the sock off of the hoop, but to save stabilizer, we will be trimming the stabilizer free, or the sock free, by cutting a hole in just the stabilizer. So once your sock is free, we're going to trim gently around the design, making a small hole in our stabilizer. Be careful not to trim any fabric or stitches during this, of course. Now you can turn the sock fully right side out and trim any little threads as needed. You can also use a damp cloth to rub out any chalk lines. Now your sock is complete. Now to patch the stabilizer for the next sock, simply take a scrap of the sticky cutaway, peel the paper, and stick it to the back of the hoop, sticky side down. So we're sticking it to the back of the hoop, and we can do this a handful of times before fully replacing the stabilizer. Now we have a new tacky surface. Just try not to stitch in the same spot. Thanks for watching.